Hi guys, it's your lovely teacher trying to help you to log on to the AP exam. So everyone should have already created their username and password, and hopefully you were able to screenshot your before and after artwork for the mind map. And some of you, maybe you just needed to do one. It's all based on what I recommend for you to do. I'm working with Cindy, and Cindy and I worked on creating her exam to what we're going to load. So we're going to go to upload, and she's just going to use one mind map for hers just because her before and after were very similar. And can you give me a rough estimate of the height, Cindy?
8,
8? Oh, I thought this was much larger. And then the width, like
around 10.
14? Really? You did this on a tiny little printer paper? I don't think so. Size?
I could measure it.
This looks like 8 by 14 to me. I'm just gonna guess that for now. Now, please tell me what materials you used. I know you used watercolor. What else?
Markers,
Ink. Sounds fancier. Okay, what else? Graphite. Sounds fancier than charcoal. If you want, you guys can capitalize each letter or lowercase. But I think a list looks nice. I don't care if you capitalize or lowercase. I just want you to be consistent so it looks pretty for the judges. Is there anything else?
the soft pastels.
Perfect. And that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me the processes that you used? You brainstormed a list of ideas for your concentration, for your sustained investigation, and created a what? Artistic mind map? What else did you do? We only have 96 out of 100. We can only use 100 characters. So you got to be really careful that you sound professional and to the point of what your process was. Is there anything else you think we should add or should I change anything? You got 4 more characters.
I think it's good. Just have to change the your to my.
You know what? This is a sustained investigation. Let's use some your to my. Very good. Not only did you do a sustained investigation, but essential questions. I'm gonna put EQs. We can abbreviate. You, unfortunately, you can't use that apostrophe S. I don't think. In my let's see if it'll let me. My Grammarly wants to autocorrect that, and I'm gonna ignore it because we only have one character left, and I don't think it does apostrophes and commas. So I'm gonna press save and let's see what happens. It says error. See how it says these special characters can't be used? Guess what? I told you that exclamation point, it's like, So we're gonna get rid of the exclamation point. And I'm looking at my map is 2 words. That's fine. I can do that. You're allowed to do periods, but you're not allowed to do exclamation points and you're not allowed to do commas. So I gotta delete this comma, I guess. Well, let me see if I can do a comma. It might let me. You never know. They're very picky. It's so annoying. Okay, they will let you do a comma, but they won't let you do an exclamation point. So I'm gonna add an extra comma here. And then I'm gonna press save again. Notice I'm constantly pressing save. So now she has her mind map. I can click on this, and now I have a nice graphic for the judges to look at. And it talks about what materials were used, and it talks, and if you want to explain the process more and you couldn't have space, maybe you can write it here with your watercolor, but with your materials. But I don't think it's a big deal. So I'm very happy with that. So these are the things you have to fill out. Use a ruler, measure your materials, the height and the width, and make sure you put those in. And always press save over and over. Now you're going to have the opportunity to size and load your next image for number 2, which was your scavenger hunt. I don't know if Cindy's done with her scavenger hunt, but I wanted to at least make a video of what is expected for slide 1, and then this one is slide 2, the scavenger hunt. And then number 3 is going to be your freestyle that you guys are working on right now that's due on Wednesday. Now remember, document stages because you can add more than one image here. I'm going to show you Elizabeth's example. Elizabeth, she first started off with her list here for her artistic mind map. Then she changed the paper and started adding more graphics. And then this is her final piece. I like how these ones are smaller to show that she's been doing revisions as proof, but this is her final piece right here. So we want it to look nice. We don't want to see the words before and after, and we want to showcase what we're the most proud of. So figure out a way to composition that and do a screenshot. A few students said when they did their screenshots, they were fuzzy, and I don't know why they're fuzzy, but I can help you on my end too. Communication is key. Have a great day.